What's up guys? Today I will give you smooth shake tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Preview. Now open Capcut.
See you tomorrow!